Alpha now.
You can't get caught in the middle of this.
Can't pretend to be normal.
I don't want you to be normal. I want you to be alive.
Hold him. This is our...
You kill him, and you kill me. Don't you get that, Dad?
Our sons are trained to be soldiers. Our daughters to be leaders.
You remember me?
Call me Gerard, but I prefer Grandpa.
Everything's gonna be okay. You can't just go around turning people into werewolves.
I can if they're willing.
You're not my type.
I'm exactly your type.
Lydia's turning. She's not the one that's gonna need help.
Lydia?
What do you think she's gonna do with a set of real clothes?
You're with me now.
Look, I've got my own agenda. Your kind, I can help. This is something different. It's like us.
A shapeshifter, yes, but it's like a abomination.
You saying you know who it is?
No, but I think it knew me.
Killing may be its only purpose.
You're not from here, are you?
I came looking for the Alpha.
Look at them. You see what they do? The only way to fight them is together. What is this? What are they doing? Declaring war.
We have a code.
Not when they murder my daughter.
Don't you feel what's happening? It's like battle lines are being drawn.
If I'm with you, I lose her.
You're gonna lose her anyway.
From now on, these things are just bodies waiting to be cut in half. We find them. We kill them. We kill them all.
Teen Wolf, Season 2, Sunday, June 3rd. Share this trailer now. 5 million views unlocks the first 10 minutes of Season 2.